Hey guys, so today we are in the 2018 F-150 Powerstroke diesel. We're going to be doing a little off-road course here. It's pretty muddy, pretty slippery. It's a pretty good course and it should be a lot of fun. Shows off the capabilities of this truck. Basically, we'll get a pretty good idea of what this truck is like off-road. Yeah, this is really smooth, really easy.
Bridge, get up.
Alright, so we'll put it at a 4 low here. Go into neutral. Turn this, rear diff's already locked. Advanced track and 4x4 low. Put it in drive. Zach, you pretty much just let this idle over this stuff, didn't you?
Yeah, I didn't touch the gas until halfway through.
Yeah, let that diesel torque do its thing.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. These are some pretty gnarly rocks.
And I think you'll definitely notice that throughout the course too. Definitely a nice power delivery.
It's pretty smooth, right?
Oh yeah. I mean, I kind of have to keep reminding myself that we're in a diesel.
Yeah, it's very quiet. Don't necessarily have that typical diesel rattle or clatter, but that's kind of the way things are going these days with most diesels. Cool, so we're good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and easy.
So this is a twist stitch. You're gonna get, basically, you're gonna be on two wheels off, and right about now.
Out there, yep.
So this going up, you're gonna.
Didn't even hiccup. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna avoid this ditch here and just kind of take it up a straight shot.
Kind of give it just a little bit of a steering input
right.
while you're going up. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We're going.
There we go.
There you go.
Nice.
So now hill descent.
All
Just
right.
take your feet off everything and kind of just keep her straight.
Gonna trust it.
Yep. Just keep it straight. So when you get into this, you're gonna just kind of give it some gas.
All right.
And kind of keep going. Don't stop in it.
Yep.
And do the same thing with the steering wheel.
Easy. Almost go as far as to say this is a luxury off-road experience.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking the same thing.
Yeah. All right, so then we've got these guys here.
Yep, the moguls.
So this has skid plates onto the engine, transmission. That's what this kind of fuel tank. Okay, all the important bits, and you can see where
to your left a little bit more.
see where people have bottomed out a little bit. There you go. Nice.
So spin the wheels a little bit to kind of clean your tires off. Okay, that's good. Like right here, side.
It is definitely slippy out today.
When you get to the white side, you're gonna go wide.
And then sharp left, right?
Yep, at the top.
Cool.
Right. So we're gonna line you up. You see the camera kind of line up to see where you need to go over to your, keep going over to your left a little bit more.
Yep, and straight down. Nice.
Yep. Build descent is on. Yep.
Great, just let off and keep it straight. Cool.
Keep it straight.
Easy. Man, this is steep. Was that 24 degrees max I
We
saw?
hit 29.
29. That's awesome. That's not going to show up as steep on video, but
No,
for those
sadly
watching,
not.
that was really steep. Your brain and your body tell you that you're just going to flip right over, but
Basically, your seatbelt's holding you in.
yeah, pretty much. That's awesome. All right, so straight through here.
Yeah.
I think that was scarier from the back seat earlier,
Oh, yeah?
honestly. I was like, holy shit.
Picturing yourself like
Yeah.
coming to a dead stop at the bottom and flying through the windshield.
All right, line up to that telephone pole out there.
Okay.
You can see the marking here on the 360 camera.
Yep. It's pretty well centered.
Yep.
That's really nice.
Just let go of the brakes and go on down.
All right. Good.
So this, you gotta go 4x4 low.
Cool. There it is. Nice satisfying clunk. Yeah, throttle's really easy to modulate with this engine, and
Oh, go to 4 high. Yep.
yeah. Cool. And here we're going to be using the cameras.
So you see you have a rock here coming up on your left. You'll be able to see come in view
Yep.
here in a second. There it is. And you watch out for the poles on your left.
And right.
Yeah.
Looks good. Cool. So, right here.
Yep. Yep.
Actually, I might be able to make it here. Pretty good turning radius.
You got it.
Good. Are we still in 4? We're in store 4 high. All right.
We're just in deep mud, that's all.
Yeah. It's just slow going. When in doubt, power out. This is a great course.
Oh, thank
The mud definitely adds a level of complexity
you. Yep.
to things.
So we'll try with the traction control off.
Okay.
That helps you.
There we go. We fully off?
We're fully off.
Everything. All right. And as this
This
goes,
is
oh yeah, this is all right. This is the.
There you go. Keep going. Keep into it.
There we go. Yeah.
There you go.
That was sexy right there.
Did traction control hold you back on the turn?
It did, yeah. So stability control kicked in when
Stability,
I
yeah.
turned the wheel, but that's okay. That did the job. For anyone watching, it did the effect. Good grand finale there. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. There's the new F-150 off-road. We're going to be doing some road test drives, towing challenges, fuel economy, all that good stuff. But hopefully that gives you a pretty good idea of the off-road capabilities of this new Powerstroke diesel. I can say it's very smooth, quiet, refined. I think manufacturers these days are working hard at going against all the preconceived notions of diesels in the past. So, pretty good job in this new truck.